Healthy Forever presents See what happens to your body when you eat black pepper every day. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips. There are many benefits of having black pepper every day, and it is fortunate that it benefits our body as many consume it with every meal. It has a sharp, spicy flavor, making it a must with savory dishes, and an essential for all cooks and kitchens. The claims that it is good for us are backed by science, and here they are. It may help fight cancer, aids digestion and weight loss, may slow the aging process, is thought to improve dental health, and can help certain skin conditions. Black pepper. Black pepper is rich in piperine, containing strong antioxidant properties and can delay the effect of free radicals on our system, leading to cell damage and oxidative stress. Piperine is also shown to fight inflammation in the body. So far, the trials have only been conducted on mice, but appear promising. With asthmatic mice making a recovery from inflamed airways and allergies. We don't yet know if it affects humans in the same way. It may benefit the brain. And in a maze test on rats, the rats were shown to find their way around better after they were fed with black pepper compounds. Piperine may help improve blood sugar metabolism. Effects of black pepper on the body. Components of black pepper and piperine are thought to boost absorption of dietary supplements that have cholesterol-lowering properties like turmeric, and that could increase turmeric's absorption by up to 2,000%. It may have cancer-fighting properties and has been found to enhance the efficiency of treatment for triple-negative breast cancer, the most aggressive type of cancer affecting women. Studies have not yet been completed. Pepper is also a versatile spice, and black pepper may help to increase the good bacteria in our gut and improve our immune function. Piperine is also thought to be a natural pain reliever. Studies are ongoing. Black pepper and its active component, piperine. Black pepper may also help you to reduce cholesterol levels, and many of these studies are still being undertaken and are yet to be carried out on humans. However, in a small study of 16 adults wanting to lose weight, they were given a black pepper-based diet, like a soup, before meals and reported a reduction in appetite. Another study did not show quite the same effect. Because black pepper is so widely used to give a bit of heat and flavor to our dishes, if it does aid in weight loss, more human trials are needed. There would be many people who would be happy to join such a trial, as so many are trying to lose weight before summer. The fact that it appears to increase the absorption of dietary supplements is very interesting, as it contains some of the plant compounds found in green tea. Conclusion. Another human study showed 86 obese people taking piperine and other compounds for 8 weeks, and they showed a big improvement in insulin sensitivity, indicating that insulin was able to remove glucose more efficiently from the bloodstream in the presence of piperine contained in the black pepper, improving their health outcomes. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Thanks for watching!